What's up, guys? Sparkle Good Miranda here. Oh, sorry. Let me turn down. Okay. Anyway, I had this slime packet, and I got it from one of my friends. She says she has one of the best slimes ever, but she lied. Anyway, I opened the package, and I was supposed to get a large out of this. We call this a large. I was supposed to get a medium out of this. Large. This is a small. And this is supposed to be extra, extra large. Anyway, let's open these slimes and see what's going on. First is going to be it's supposed to be my turquoise large slime. Let me take the rest out of the packet if I can. Her packaging sucks. Can't even get this out. Yeah, I'll definitely be telling my mom. My mom will be calling my mom because I paid a lot of money for all this stuff. I paid almost $30. I paid $26 for all this stuff. Can't even get this open. Oh my gosh, this is bad packaging. Okay, there, finally. Okay, it was supposed to be extra large. Doesn't look like no extra large to me. This looks like a medium. This is a medium. What is this? A small. This is freaking small. Okay, we're gonna test this poking out. It doesn't even make the poking sounds. And it's super dry and hard. And this was supposed to be butter slime. It's good on the butter slime. But the packaging is a no for me. So I'm gonna put that back in there. Something that I don't want to play with right now. It's mostly like a freaking putty. Okay, we're gonna move that aside. Next, I guess I'll try. It's supposed to be my extra large slime. It's supposed to smell like the Bath and Body Works warm vanilla. And this is not warm vanilla. I know what warm vanilla smells like, and I have warm vanilla. And this is not what it is. Let's see. It's really good, but it's sticky. So that's something I don't want to play with. Put that aside. Next, next was supposed to be putty, but this is Play-Doh. Look at this. It says Fun-Doh on the thing. This was supposed to be Play-Doh. I mean, not Play-Doh, putty. And this is, as you can see, not putty. So yeah, put that away. And there's a little mold for it. That's my only favorite thing about it. I like it, but something that I wouldn't do. And this is supposed to be my glitter slime. See how this goes. Ew. This is gross. Look, it doesn't even stretch. So hard and disgusting. Ew, that's nasty. That's disgusting. My last one was supposed to be a medium, but I got a small. And it was supposed to be turquoise. This is green, not turquoise. Turquoise is more like a blue. Oh my gosh, yeah. I recommend you guys not getting anything from my friend if you go to my school or something. Yeah, don't get nothing from her. Is it stretchy? No. Look at this. It's not even stretchy. Look. So if I would stretch it, look what it does. Yeah, no. Anyway, I don't know why she'd do that. That is just horrible. I have one more slime left. Let me go get it real quick. She showed me what this was supposed to go up to. And, you see how much is in here? She said it was supposed to go up to here. It's okay, but it's supposed to be a large. And I paid $5 for this. And the other ones was, yeah, all of them were $5, and that's $25. I paid $26 for something that doesn't even work. I paid $26 for this container that says my name on it. So it says my name on it. So that's why it cost me an extra $1 to put my name on it, which was very, very petty. So I know to call her on Tuesday because Monday is Memorial Day, and I know she's probably celebrating it. And call her and tell her that, well, she said no refunds on the paper, which was like, wow, like, you're supposed to give me my money back, so I don't care about any refunds or anything. And it's kind of stiff. It's supposed to be, this is supposed to be green, and it's lavender. It's lavender with blue sparkles. I like it, but I wouldn't buy anything from her again. So, yeah. This was just a bad idea to buy stuff from her because I knew her slime was whack. I should have known because the slimes that she has at her house are like perfect, on point, doesn't dry out, nothing. And it's just great. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And wish me luck because today I have tryouts for cheer. You know, this is why I'm wearing these clothes. And I have hair bowing. So, wish me luck. Thank you guys. Bye. To let you guys know, this was a spoof. All those slimes over there, they're my slimes. This one dried out and I turned it green. And this one I had a long time ago, so it dried out because it's in a bag and there's a hole in it. And this one I made with detergent with the glitter glue. And this was what I got from school. And this is what I made on Friday. And today's Sunday. So this was a spoof, and this is what I made like a month ago. No, at least like 2 months ago. And my friends were playing with it, and one of my friends threw half of it at a bee. And so, yeah, this was a spoof. Hope you guys liked it. Like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye.